Hey there, Tario here for something a little different. It's a box opening, which I've done before, but this one, if you couldn't tell from this corner right here, it's Cardfight Vanguard. I haven't done any Cardfight Vanguard videos in my 2 years of doing YouTube, but I've been getting really into it lately. Uh, you can thank the casual card gamer himself for that. Uh, I got this one specifically for the Narukami cards in it. I've been playing that one a lot lately online, and I wanted to see if I could pull any good ones now. So let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. So, of course, if you couldn't tell, since I did thank Casual Card Gamer, I had to pop out his playmat that I bought a while ago. Figured since he's the one who initially got me thinking about Cardfight Vanguard, I might as well use his playmat, right? Okay, plastic is off. Let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. So each one has quite a few cards. I gotta open these differently than Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Or Yu-Gi-Oh packs. Okay. So starting off with Relentless Night Lodge. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm trying to make this so you can see it. Incipient Longtail. An Astral Plane. Okay. Exorcist Mage Lin. Dragon Dancer Jurina. Nusku. Nusku is one of the ones I was looking for. I love Nusku. Like with Nusku, when it's placed, you can look at the top 5 cards from the top of your... Yeah, you can look at the top 5 cards of your deck, reveal one with Eradicator in its name, add it to your hand, then you discard a card. The other 4 you shuffle back, but I love Nusku. Gonna keep that right front and center for you. Then we got a Love Sniper Nasil. Sorry, this is a horrible angle. I'm trying to make it so you can easily see it. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we got a Holy Mage Indulf, a Spring Source Witch Fixus, a Vision of Thunderous Shock, a Sun-Loving Knight Cuthred, a Staunching Angel, a Beckress of Stratification, okay. Ooh, then a Martial Arts Dragon. Okay, I'm looking for mostly Eradicator cards. You know, like Nusku here. So any Eradicator Narukami card. Except this one, Oban. Lightning Eradicator Oban. Clean Shake Angel. Lightning Cannon Eradicator Gongsun. Okay. These two go together. Oban and Gongsun. Player of the Holy Pipe Jerry. Okay. Knight of Forceful Fight. Nullness. Aspiration of Limitless Power, and a Holy Heavenly Dragon something. I am not sure. Like, a lot of these names I'm going to butcher. I swear. So I'm sorry if anyone's offended by my mispronunciation. Okay. Projection Knight Muir. Nurse of Hold Heart, a Aviator of Proposition. Sorry, I can't read, I swear. Lightning Gun Eradicator Oban, Dragon Dancer Viana, Battlation Lance Dragon, and the last one, Arcturus of Fervent Will. Like you're gonna see my inability to read, like in this video. So I'm sorry about that now. Okay, Medical Kit Angel, a Spring Source Witch Phrixus, a Holy Mage Indulf, a Dragon Dancer Jurina, Critical Hit Angel, Battalion Lance Dragon, and a Rock Climb Dragon. Okay. Like I said, I'm mostly looking for Eradicators, like New School, that I have in the online deck I've been using. Happy Bell No Seal, Disinfect Angel, Spurgal, Pioneering Dragon, Critical Hit Angel, Aspirations of Limitless Power, and a Love Machine Gun No Seal. Okay. Okay. We got Djinn of Thunderous Shock, a Projection Nightmare, White Prosperous Sorcerer Revoluta, okay. Pinky Denturist, Surgery Angel, Arcturus of Fervent Will, then Dawning Night Gorbudak. Sorry, I can't read. I swear. I'm sorry about that. Kind of reminds me of Mural from Courage the Cowardly Dog. I can't hear without my glasses. Alekinesis Dragon. Vibro Crusher Dragon. My starter, Eradicator Spring Light Dracokin. That's the starter. Then I got Pinky Denturist, a Surgery Angel, a Knight of Flying Rings Edmund, and a Stake Fetter Thwittle. Okay, we got another Eradicator Spring Light Dracokin. We only need one since this is our starter. Sun Loving Knight Cuthred, Aviator of Proposition, Dragon Dancer Viana, Exorcist Mage Limlin, Eradicator Spark Rays Dragon, one of the ones we were looking for. Okay, then we got Black Closure Zophiel. Okay. So not too bad so far. If I can get 3 more of Nusku and Spark Rays, I would be thrilled. We got Nurse of Hold Heart, Knight of Early Dawn Coel. We got Roaring Arm Eradicator Gasal, Wolferoman. We got Full Recovery. We got Yellow Gem Carbuncle. We got White Rainbow Witch Pyrethra. And we got a Black Spark Munker. Okay. Next one. Okay, we got another Gong Sun. We got another Roaring Arm Eradicator. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We got a Falling Star Sorcerer Vine. A Knight of Blue Skies Shinak. A Player of the Holy Pine or Pipe Jerry. A Scaling Angel. And a Bluish Flame Liberator Percival. Okay? We don't got too many left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only got 5 packs left. Relentless Knight Lulach. Vine. Verber Kusher Dragon. Staunching Angel. Knight of Blue Skies Shinak. Another new scoop, which I was looking for. And then Holy Seraph No Seal. Okay. Looking nice, looking pretty. Okay. We got a Disinfect Angel. A Black Leash Ebriel. A Supportive Sorcerer Communis. An Astral Plane. A Knight of Forceful Fight Nullness. A Knight of Strong Favors Berengaria. And a Mythic Beast Natty. Okay. Last 3. I'm starting to not like the packs a little bit. Just a little bit. We got Plenary Dragon. A Sprigal. Okay. And Elekinis's Dragon. A Trank Sage Perun. Mercury of Gravitas. An Eradicator Thunderous Bead Dragon. Okay. And a Chain Bolt Dragoon. Now this is not the green. This is not one of the grade 3s I use. I use a Dragonic Descendant and a Gauntlet Buster. But I'll throw them in there just for now. Okay, we got Berserker Surgeon Asphal, Incipient Longtail, Happy Bell No Seal, a Cyber Tiger, a White Emperor Witch Prazine, a Black Mapping Salafiel, and a Herd Archer Biscolt. Okay, last pack. Last one. Okay, let's hope we're going to get something good. Nurse of Holdheart. Sun Loving Knight Kuthred. And Incipient Longtail. Sorry. Piron. Mercury of Gravitas. No Seal, and a Mythic Beast Fenrir, which is cool. Look at that. Look at that. But all in all, not bad. Like I said, I don't use this grade 3, but I'm pretty sure I use everything else. Like, I got 2 new scoop. I got a Spark Rays, which are all searchers. I got my starter. And I got 2 just grade 1s, which isn't bad. Like I said, these aren't bad by any means. It would have been nice if I at least got 1 more Spark Rays to make it 2, but I'm not complaining. I'm not. Like, I thought this was really fun. It's a new experience for me to open up Cardfight Vanguard boxes or packs in general. So let me know what you thought. Like, if you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you leave a like if you can, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Not only Cardfight Vanguard, but Yu-Gi-Oh! Mostly. So, but with that, I'm out. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay frosty, my friends.